The scope of the maintenance in Italo is the same scope that all Italo have and all the teams in Italo have, that is to give the best experience to our passengers. We have in average 75,000 passengers per day. That it doesn't mean that we reach in 1 year around 27 million of passengers. What does it mean? The maintenance scope is to give every time, every day in a certain point, at the right time, the trains in the best condition.
Alstom is a very innovative company, and Alstom pays a close attention to all the new technologies that can improve safety and performance. For example, what we appreciate the most is the connection between the train's control system and the control rooms in real time. So all the data that comes from the train control system is processed and analyzed in real time by Alstom engineers. Another important project is the train scanner, that is a very innovative solution to improve the quality of the maintenance and first of all to reduce the maintenance time. If the maintenance time is less, we have more trains available for commercial service. Through these innovative solutions, Alstom is able to detect some anomalies on the train before the failure occurs and interrupts the commercial service. This is very useful for Italo fleet manager because he can rearrange the scheduling of the trains, and the passenger, in case of some failures, doesn't notice anything and reaches the destination without a delay. Sometimes when some failures occur but the train can't come back to the maintenance depot, there is a Alstom mobile unit that reaches the station, and using all the information that comes from the health hub can solve the failure on the station itself.
The partnership between us and Alstom, I can say that is quite good. They have the capability from the technical, but also from the relationship point of view to find the solution to the problems and all the challenges that we have every day. Consider that we have been working together from 2009, so from the very beginning. In one word, it's a marriage. We have a contract of 30 years. The name of the contract is Global Service. Doesn't mean that it's about everything about the maintenance of the trains. We have to solve the problems together. We have to find solutions every time and new solutions. But as a marriage, what is really important is also only one thing, it's the trust.